What's good, everybody? What's good? Welcome back to the channel. Or should I say, welcome back, Gill Grabbers. I'm showing up here to the water a little late. OG had an appointment, well, OGM, I'm sorry, had an appointment that she needed to do. So, being the good son that I am, I took her to it. But there's one more person that's here. He's already, well, he been out here. Personally, he already done been out here, and he done caught him a couple already. And that would be the bass stalker. So I don't know if I'm even in the camera that good, but we will find out here soon enough. So, something hit me and it kept running and snapped my line yesterday. But we finna load up in the boat and we finna get to fishing. Now, let's go get Cuzzo. But he been out here for a little bit. Straighten up your camera here. He been out here for a little bit while I've been doing the good son thing. But we're gonna go pick him up and we'll get out here and have a little fun. You see that? That's what he caught so far. I don't know how well y'all can see that. But shoot, it's probably almost 5 o'clock. So I ain't got that much time for fishing. I'm gonna get it in as much as I can.
You think it's 5?
It should be about 5. Hold on. I got my phone right here. I'm gonna move it back from the bank in just a minute. Yeah, shoot, it's after 5. It's 5:12.
I told nigga no. That time must be ready to
fall back.
See where it's at.
Mm-hmm. I already got your anchor.
I see it.
All right. Let's see here what we got.
Go with that tree. Try to hit that tree. There you go. You know when I was throwing up, there you go.
Dang gumming.
You ain't gonna get it or what?
I don't want to disturb it.
You go get it and let it ease down now.
All right, if we pull it up. Yesterday you were finding all the darn stumps, and here I go finding them now.
Found them quick.
I'm talking about I found it on the first cast. There we go.
There you go. That's it. Catch it. Be careful, don't let it hit the bottom.
Yep, something tapped it.
I don't know if they got any side on them or what.
That was just, that mean he minute he hit the, what you call it? Is that a bass?
So when he hit, that's what I'm trying to figure, because that's what I lost. I look, no, that's the right thing.
Yep.
That's how I was doing when I got over there. But I was fishing for, when I first got in, I was just fishing for bait. I was trying to fish some bait, so that's what I was doing.
No, I ain't finna snatch it. Just reeling. Just reeling. Yeah. I caught him on the side of the mouth. Look at him. He swiped at that.
Trying to hit up and get it.
Mm-hmm. That's what he did. Yeah. skunk. Dadgummit.
You already know that one's gonna be like that.
That's me bumping bottom.
I'm looking at mine. Something was bumping it.
Something was. Wherever that is, he fighting you, buddy.
Yeah, hold your line up so I won't pull your line out. There you go. You come in here. That sucker got off. I knew he was gonna get off. I had a feeling he was gonna get off, dog. But he was not fighting back hard.
There it is.
Doing all that damn dance.
You see that stump? You see that stump that he on? So you already know.
I just don't want to make love to that stump. That's all.
Yep.
What's up, man?
Go ahead and pull up, cuz I go get it. Doggone it. I ain't getting out one bit of action. Now you come away with something and be mad, I know I need to change the color then. I know it.
You gotta get back up that way, boy.
You say that, then you just connected with one.
I'm talking about like move back over, yeah. Then what? The joker got off and looked like something else wanted to hit.
Well, pull up now.
Is you getting a bump though?
I ain't getting a bump. I ain't getting nothing. Well, when you pull up your ankle, I'll move us up a little bit further. There we go.
But don't horse him. Wait. Don't let him jump. You don't need no bill dance on him.
There we go. You lost that one there, buddy. Oh, did we just double up?
Yes,
Let's see.
Yeah, we doubled up. This whole problem is getting him in double up. He got off.
He got off, doggone.
Yeah.
Dang, that's way up in there. I ain't going up in there to get it.
Wait, it's on the tree?
I think so.
You try to get ready to go. We'll go up and retrieve.
Good gracious. There we go.
Got it loose.
Yep. Oh, snap. And he came and got it.
You recorded that?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's straight done now.
Yeah. He came and got it right as I popped it off.
New number. So I locked it in. Why did I do that? That dude went to call me like crazy. He went to call me like crazy. Yeah. We're out here catching these sandwiches, man, with the old folks love to eat. They don't want no pound and 2 pound. They like them sandwiches. He was through with me about, I say about 10, and then turned around. After about 10, I had to wait an hour, then I turned around and went to the house. I already had my stuff, but to make a long story short, it's like I had it did on the 29th. I gotta go back to on the 18th. Me and Bigger went to the house, and I said, Bigger, we're gonna go get our Happy Meal. By 4:30, went to Cochran, got my Happy Meal. Wasn't nothing stopping me, man.
I mean, gosh, dog.
Oh, no, go ahead. No, go ahead. I don't know if they're gonna play some spades tonight. That's Johnny calling me. Johnny will call me. I called him like, no, you good. We played spades last night. All right, go ahead.
We might have to move.
Yep, we did it.
Cause They ain't really.
You know it's coming up to a full moon. That's why I want to come on now. Wednesday is a full moon.
Wednesday full moon?
Yeah. That's why I say 3 days before the full moon. Excuse me, I think it's Wednesday or Thursday. It's one of them.
We're going to pull your anchor up. We'll move on down the bank a little bit.
Got out here at the same time.
Yeah, we'd have did something up. We'd have did something pretty.
They were acting food like that.
Look at that. I was just jigging. Had to sit in the water. Next thing you know, don't. Alright, I'm just turning. Well, I'll be doggone. You was over there on it too. Yeah.
We make it already with the boat.
Jigging. That blew up right next to me, right behind me. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Right there. There you go. Yeah, there you go. I might get these to you, cuz, if you know how many I catch. Yep. Ooh, I got a cramp in my darn hip right here.
It want to be in the back of my cab on the left side.
Good gosh, I gotta stand up. Oh. Another day, another catch. The crappie were doing it up a little bit. Not like I know to do out here. But if you enjoyed the video and you enjoyed watching Cuzzo catch them, because you know what I'm saying, it took me a while to get going. Go on and subscribe, like, leave a comment. And we'll see you actually tomorrow, because he's trying to go tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow.